Good morning, class 6A. This is English grammar, the lesson active and passive voice. We will now begin with the first exercise. Please make sure that you have your grammar books with you. You can turn your books to page number 126. I've already asked you to read this out and to do it in rough. I'm sure you have written the notes and you have them in front of you. Whenever you solve these exercises, you need to have the rules and the notes that we have written yesterday. So let us begin with the first exercise. Write A for active and P for passive. We need to find out if the sentence is an active sentence or a passive sentence. Let me tell you, it is very easy to identify. If the sentence is active sentence, it will be beginning with the subject and by will not be there. I repeat, if the sentence will be an active sentence, it will begin with a subject and it will have by, it will not have, by with it. On the other hand, if the sentence is a passive sentence, it will begin with object, it will have a helping verb and it will have by with it. So keeping these rules, few basic tricks and rules in mind, let us now do the first one. Twelfth Night was written by William Shakespeare. Yes, this is Afan.
Ma'am, passive.
Yes, this is a passive sentence. Write down P for passive. Capital P in the first box. Please number the boxes also. Write down 1 to 10 next to the boxes so that you don't confuse for the answer. Second one. Sanjeev cooked lunch for us. Yes, Isha.
Ma'am, this is active.
Very good. This is active. Vedant. Third one. The party office was attacked by some hooligans. This is Aliza Samuel.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, passive.
Third one is passive. Okay, very good. Aliza Samuel. Next one. The carpenter picked up his tools and left. Yes, Aliza.
Ma'am, active.
Very good. This is active. So children, before we do the other exercises of this lesson, you must be able to identify if the sentence is active or passive. If you see the third rule that we had written yesterday, the first step is to identify if the sentence is active or passive. Then only you will be able to tell what are the further set of rules to be applied, active rules or passive rules. Next one. Students must respect their teachers. Shreyansh? Yes, Shreyansh.
Ma'am, active.
Yes, this is an active sentence. So this is going easy. Children, please fill this fast. Question number 6. Many great leaders helped us to win independence. Okay. Somebody else now? Azam?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. This is?
Many great leaders helped us to win independence. Ma'am, active.
Very nice. This is active. Advika, next one, very quickly. Sonali sings beautiful songs.
Ma'am, Sonali sings beautiful songs. Ma'am, this is ma'am active.
This is an active sentence. Very good. Question number 8. The mandolin was played brilliantly by Srinivasan. Mandolin, an instrument, a musical instrument, a violin-like musical instrument with strings. Yes, Isha.
Ma'am, this is passive.
Very good. This is passive because by is written and the sentence is beginning with object. I hope you are able to understand, children. Parents should be respected by their children. This is passive again. And the 10th sentence. The match was won by the team that came from Bhopal. Okay, Shreyansh Puri.
Ma'am, passive.
Very good. This is a passive sentence. So very quickly we will move to exercise B, question number 1. Now see, change these sentences from active to passive voice If the verb is intransitive, I hope you remember what are transitive verbs and what are intransitive verbs, right? It cannot be changed. So there will be certain verbs which are self-explanatory and they do not have object with it. Those, if you see those verbs, if you see an intransitive or a verb which does not have an object part, then it cannot be changed into passive. वो सेंटेंस पैसिव वॉइस में चेंज नहीं होते हैं जिनमें intransitive verb होता है. But otherwise, you will have to follow the steps. Step number 4. If you see point number 4, what you have written yesterday, point number 4. And we will do the sentence. First one, Satish has borrowed my pen. So before we change this, you need to find out a few things. Underline the subject. Afan, what is the subject?
Ma'am, the subject is Satish.
Satish is the subject. So people please underline Satish. We will follow all the steps for the first few sentences. Then when you will be having a good practice, then we will do it without the rules. So we will follow all the steps. It is new to you. We will follow all the steps. Satish is the subject. Fine. What is has?
Ma'am, has is a helping verb.
Very good. Has is the helping verb. Write down HV. Underline has and write down HV on top of it. So has is the helping verb. Borrowed. What is borrowed, Afan?
Ma'am, borrowed is main verb.
Borrowed is the main verb. Write down MV, main verb. Very good. Borrowed is the main verb. If you follow the steps and change, let me tell you children, your answer will never go wrong. And my pen. What is my pen?
Ma'am, my pen is object.
My pen is object part. Very good. Now the next thing is to find out what is the tense of this sentence. Children, tell me what is the tense of this sentence.
Simple past.
Are you sure? HAS is written. Now see children, when has is written, has is a helping verb which is always in present perfect. Yes, Advika is raising hand. Advika, what is the tense?
Ma'am, in perfect tense, we use has, have, and ma'am was, were. So had, ma'am, and ma'am is.
It means studied. It means you have studied the chapter tenses and
Yes,
verbs.
So that's
So
why, ma'am.
chapter tenses and verbs in order to do this properly. So people in the bracket, please write down present perfect. If you see has means the sentence is a present perfect sentence. So in the bracket, write down present perfect. Okay. Now let us change the sentence. Yes, Afan was telling the sentence. So Afan, please tell us the passive form of this sentence. Children, step number 4. Object plus helping verb. Remember? So please write
Yes,
down
ma'am.
in passive. Follow the rules and tell me the sentence step by step. Yes.
My pen has been borrowed by Satish.
Very good. Now, why is BEEN been written? Because in present perfect or past perfect, that means in perfect tenses, present perfect or past perfect, we write BEEN been. Write the answer. My pen has been. All those who are joining late, let me tell you, this is not the time to join the class. Aaron Khanna, Fazal Hussain. My pen has been, 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 borrowed by Satish. My pen has been borrowed by Satish. Full stop. Now write down how you have changed it, what you have done. Write down rule. Below answer number 1, write down rule. This is the rule how you have changed the first answer. Object plus helping verb plus B-double-E-N. B-double-E-N, bean, plus verb in the third form. You will write down capital V and 3. Verb in the third form. V3, borrowed is in the third form. Plus by, by, plus subject. I repeat, object plus helping verb plus B-double-E-N. And please keep this in mind, whenever the sentence is a perfect sentence, we will always write B-double-E-N, been. It can be has been or have been or had been. Alright? So B-double-E-N, been plus verb in the third form plus by plus subject. Any confusion with this, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have a confusion with it?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Next one. Children, copy down the second sentence. Who arrested the thief? Who's going to tell this to me along with the subject, object, rules? Afan, you've already answered. Somebody else? Copy down the second question, children. Who arrested the thief? Question mark. Advika? What is the subject?
Ma'am, subject is who.
Okay. So people, please underline who, and children, please write every sentence after leaving one line so that whatever you are writing on top, it is visible very clearly. I will ask you for the notes today in the fair copy. So please note, you write this only the way I am telling you to do it. Do not write it anywhere that I will copy it later on in fair. No, you will not be able to understand. This is not like any other grammar exercise. If you will not do it with proper rules and steps, you will never ever be able to understand. An active, passive, direct, indirect, these chapters remain the same till you reach class 12. Even if you have these chapters in class 12, the rules remain the same. So if you will not study the basics in this class, in class 6, 7, you will not be able to do these chapters later on. So who is the subject?
Ma'am,
What is the
ma'am, who is the subject? Arrested is ma'am helping verb.
No, arrested is not a helping verb. Arrested is the main verb. It is not a helping verb. Helping verbs are is, am, are, was, were, have, has, had. Okay? So arrested is the main verb. It is the action word. It is not helping the action word, but it is actually the action word. Arrested is the main verb, MV. And the thief. This is
Okay,
the
ma'am, object. Ma'am,
It is
object.
very nice. Can you tell us how will it change? No. Before that, we need to find out what is the tense.
Ma'am,
What is the tense?
ma'am, simple past tense.
Very good. Advika has studied the tenses very nicely. This is simple past. Children, you should be able to identify. This is simple past. Everybody please write after the question mark in the bracket, simple past. Although the exercise is not asking you to tell the tense, but we will identify the tense and write this also so that it gets easier for you to put the rules. Advika, what shall be the answer? How will it change into passive?
Ma'am, the thief was arrested.
This is how it will not remain a question sentence. Let me do it for you. Write the answer. This is a little tricky. Write the answer. By whom? Who will change into by whom? Okay. By whom was the thief arrested? By whom was the thief arrested? By whom was the thief arrested? Now, since this is not an assertive sentence, this is an interrogative sentence, so the rules have changed a little bit. Who will change into by whom? Was is the helping verb. The thief is the object and verb is put at last. Arrested is put at last and put a question mark. In the bracket write down passive. This has now become passive. Dash interrogative. Dash interrogative. Third one. The plumber mended the tap. Okay, Shreyansh Puri. What is the subject?
Ma'am, the plumber.
Okay,
Main word is the mended and the tap is object.
the tap is object. Very good. The plumber is subject. Underline it. Mended is the verb, or you say the main verb. The tap is the object part. What is the tense?
Ma'am, simple past tense.
Very good. Simple past. People, please revise tenses and verbs before you go through this exercise. Okay, so can you tell us the passive of this? Just follow the rules.
The
tap.
The tap was mend the plumber.
I don't think so. Please follow the rules. By तो कहीं तुमने बोला नहीं. You did not say by. And verb is also not in the third form. Helping verb also you have not put. Please try it out. Advika, Afan and Isha. Besides you, is there anybody who can tell this? Azam? There is somebody who's
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes, of course.
Ma'am, the tap was mended by the plumber.
Okay. I hope you have said this on your own and nobody at home has prompted. Anyway, the tap was mended. We will make use of the helping verb, right? The tap was mended by the plumber. The tap was mended by the plumber. In the bracket, write down passive, simple past. Now in simple past, verb will remain in the third form and was will be added because this is simple past. Okay, so I guess you've heard that the bell has already rung. Anyway, we will take up a few more. The tap was mended by the plumber. Question number 4. The girls are shouting loudly. Who can tell this? The girls are shouting loudly. Shreya Agarwal is not answering at all. Answering today.
Yes, ma'am.
Hello. Ryan is also Zidan is also sleeping. Who is
Ma'am,
Ma'am, I have raised hand.
Acha. Ryan. Shh. Let Ryan answer this time. Okay, Ryan. Tell us the subject. People, please write the question. The girls are shouting loudly. Write the question with a black pen. Yes, Ryan. Subject.
When the girl is subject,
Okay.
are shouting is verb, and loudly is object.
Very good. The girls is the subject. Are is the helping verb. Shouting is the main verb. Now see, this is possible in a sentence that helping verb can be there or cannot be there. It is very much possible. So you write the girls is subject. Are is HV, helping verb. Shouting is main verb. Loudly is object part. So, what is the tense of this, Ryan? What is the tense?
Ma'am, simple past.
Ma'am, may I tell?
Now listen, children, I am sorry. The girls are shouting loudly.
Present tense, ma'am. Simple present tense.
Loudly is an adverb. Loudly is an adverb out here and this sentence does not have an object. Loudly is the adverb and this sentence does not have an object. So what will happen to the sentence?
Simple past tense. Ma'am, sorry, simple present tense.
Past, no. Shouting, ing. Now when ing is written with verb, it is a
Ma'am,
Yes,
present continue.
May I tell?
Continuous
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
present.
may I
very
tell?
good.
present
Ma'am,
tense.
may
A sentence.
Ma'am,
Write down
present
present
continuous.
continuous sentence. In the bracket, write down the tense. Present continuous tense. Okay, Ryan, tell me what is the passive of this? Remember, this does not have object. Object है ही नहीं इस sentence में. What shall be the answer? Isha,
Ma'am, loudly the girls are shouting.
please don't make guesses. I'm telling you, this does not have object. Come on, the verb is intransitive. It does not have an object. It means it cannot be changed. So for the answer, write down, it cannot be changed. When the verb is intransitive, it will not change into passive voice. I've told you in the beginning of the exercise. It cannot be changed. Comma, since the verb is intransitive. लिख लो, ये भी लिख लो. Since the verb is intransitive. Question number 5. The leader led them through the protest.
Ma'am, may I
Be-
tell?
At least we need to do at least first 10. Let me do this, then only we'll be able to do the next section. Who raised hand? The leader led them through the protest.
Ma'am,
Who's
may I
going
tell?
to?
Ma'am, may I
Okay.
tell?
Okay, Aaron.
Ma'am, the leader is the subject.
Okay.
Ma'am, ma'am, the protest is the object.
Okay.
And
What is
ma'am,
the
and ma'am, led them is the ma'am main verb.
led? LED led is the main verb.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay.
Them nahi,
And ma'am,
only
and
led
ma'am,
is the verb. So I repeat, the leader is the subject, led is the main verb, and the protest is the object. What is the tense? Aaron, what
ma'am,
is the tense?
ma'am, simple past tense.
This is simple past. Now tell me, why is this simple past?
Ma'am, because the main verb, ma'am, it is led. Ma'am, D is it is end, so ma'am, it is past tense, ma'am. That's why it is simple past tense.
Very good. Okay, so LED, led, is in the past tense.
Yes,
Therefore,
ma'am.
tense is in the past tense. Now, children, how do you identify what is the tense? Simple. You will have to
Ma'am,
identify what is the verb in the sentence. हम पहले verb find out कर लेंगे sentence में. Verb जिस tense में होता है, sentence भी उसी tense का होता है. If the verb is in simple past, it means the sentence, whole sentence is simple past sentence. So in the bracket, write down simple past. Fine. Who will tell me the answer? What is the passive for this? Aaron? Anyone else? Write the answer. This is a little tricky again, so I'll tell you. They were led through. They were led through the protest. They were led through the protest by the leader. Children, them is the object part. Them is also the object part. So underline them in the question and write down object. Them is the object. Write the answer. They were led through the protest by the leader. They were led through the protest by the leader. This is passive voice. Question number next. The auctioneer is conducting the auction. Who is the auctioneer? Who bangs the hammer and says 1, 2, 3 is the auctioneer. The auctioneer is conducting the auction. Yes, subject, verb and object and the tense. Who will tell me?
Ma'am, may I?
Zidan. Zidan. Fazal.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Zidan.
Ma'am, the auctioneer is the subject.
Okay. Is the helping verb.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, conducting is the main verb.
Okay, conducting is the main verb. Fine.
Ma'am, auction is the object.
And the auction is the object part. Not only auction, the auction is the object part. What is the tense? Can you tell me? Is
Simple
written,
present.
ing is written.
And simple present.
Ma'am, may I tell?
Not studied. No, you have not studied tenses.
Ma'am, may
Ma'am,
I
may I
tell?
tell?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
please. Ma'am, may I tell? Ma'am, it is present continuous tense.
This is present continuous. Is and ing. Ing means continuous tense and is written in the present tense. So this is present continuous. In the bracket, write down present continuous tense. Yes, Siddhan, what shall be the passive of this? Fazal, tell us something. You don't participate in the class. How come you get such good rank? What do you do to get into the first three? Tell me. Participate in the class, please. Otherwise, how will you convince that you've done all the hard work and you've scored such good marks? Participate in the class. What is the passive of this? Fazal, what is the passive voice? Shreya Agarwal, what is the passive voice?
yes, ma'am. The auction is
Yes.
conducted by the auctioneer.
Now see, when we see a sentence is present continuous or past continuous, we add a word B-E-I-N-G. Like we add B-E-E-N, been with has, have, had. Similarly, we write B-E-I-N-G, being, with the continuous tense. Okay? So write the auction is B-E-I-N-G, being conducted. The auction is being conducted. Conducted, ed, C-O-N-D-U-C-T-E-D. The auction is being, B-E-I-N-G, is being conducted by the auctioneer. A-U-C-T-I-O-N-E-E-R. The auction is being conducted by the auctioneer. Now write down the rule. You need to write the rule for this. Plus helping verb HV plus B-E-I-N-G. B-E-I-N-G plus verb in the third form, V3. V3 plus by, B-Y. plus subject. So object plus helping verb plus BEING plus V3, verb in the third form, plus by, BY, plus subject. In the bracket, write down passive voice for present continuous. Passive voice for present continuous. So this is a rule. It will apply to all the present continuous sentences. If it is past continuous, in place of is, we will write was or were. Okay? We will write was or were in place of is. Question number 7. Are you taking the dog for a walk? Are you taking the dog for a walk? In the bracket, write down present continuous. Present continuous. Write the answer. Is the dog being, BEING, is the dog being taken for a walk, taken, TAKEN. Now ing will remove and third form of verb will be written. ing will be removed and third form of verb will be written. Please write, is the dog, BEING, being taken for a walk, by you? Is the dog being taken for a walk by you? Question mark. Passive, present continuous. Passive, present continuous. Question number 8. Question number 8. Are they performing a scene from Cinderella? Are they performing a scene from Cinderella? We know the famous story of Cinderella.
Ma'am, may I tell?
Yes, Adrika?
Ma'am, Aaron it is.
Aaron, okay.
Ma'am, are they is the subject, ma'am. Ma'am, performing is the verb. And ma'am, Cinderella is the object. And ma'am, it is in present
Scene
continuous.
is the object, beta.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am,
A
scene
scene from Cinderella is the object.
Oh, yes, ma'am. Scene
Okay.
from Cinderella.
Uh,
And ma'am, it is in present continuous tense. Ma'am, it is in present continuous tense, ma'am.
Yes, this is in present continuous tense because ARER is written and ING is written along with verb. Performing, ING. This is present continuous. Fine. Can you tell me what is the passive for this?
Yes, ma'am. Is they performing a scene from Cinderella by them?
No. It has a little correction. Is a scene. Yes, Afan.
Are they performing a scene from Cinderella?
Answer. Answer. Is this the answer according to you, Afan?
Ma'am,
Is a scene
is
from
a
Cinderella. Okay, fine. Mic off. Put your mic off. Is a scene from Cinderella being performed. As soon as you write BEING, जो verb का ING होता है वो being में shift हो जाता है. BEING is a scene from Cinderella being performed. BEING being performed by them is a scene from Cinderella being 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 performed 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 by them question mark. In the bracket write down passive present continuous. Passive present continuous. Question number 9. Please be quick. You just have 3 minutes to end this up. Question number 9. Benny makes good cakes and cookies.
May I tell,
Benny
ma'am?
makes good cakes and cookies. Daniel, please tell me the subject. If he is not able to answer, Prakhar Chaudhary, be ready with that. Otherwise, I'll call your parents and tell them that you're not doing anything in the class. Samya Bharti, you also, please be ready with the answer. And where's Abbas? You too. Sitting there at grandparents' home without book and copy. Benny makes good cakes and cookies. Yes. Daniel. Darsh Pratap is here. Abhinav, just sitting without doing anything. Just writing names in fancy fonts, not doing anything else. Who's going to tell this?
Ma'am, may I tell?
Yes, okay. Aaron Khanna is telling all the answers. I wonder how. Okay.
Ma'am, Benny makes good cakes and cookies. Ma'am, Benny is the subject. Ma'am, good is the verb.
No. No, good is not the verb, beta.
Ma'am, makes, sorry, ma'am, makes. Ma'am, makes is the verb.
Let him try. Let him try first. Yes, Aaron, continue. Benny is the subject.
Ma'am,
Makes is the verb.
verb. And ma'am, good cakes and cookies is the object.
All this is the object. Good cakes and cookies is the object. Okay. This is which
Ma'am, it
tense?
is simple past tense.
Simple past. No. Makes. Makes is in which tense? Makes
Ma'am,
is
simple
present
present
tense.
tense. Ma'am,
Simple
simple
present.
present
Makes.
tense.
I told you when you check out the verb, it is very easy to identify the tense of a sentence by looking at the verb. Okay.
Yes,
Tell me the answer. For the passive voice, what will we write?
Is the good
Advika?
cake?
No. That is not the correct beginning. Advika?
Ma'am, in this, ma'am, we will write, was Benny?
No, not at all. Vedant? Vedant?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Please
good
tell us,
cake.
otherwise don't raise hand.
Ma'am, good cakes and cookies are made by Benny.
Very good, very good. Good cakes and cookies, write the answer. Good cakes and cookies are, helping verb we will write, are. Makes will change into made, M-A-D-E, made. Good cakes and cookies are made by Benny. Good cakes and cookies are made by Benny. Full stop. Question number 10. This is the last one. The children went to the principal's office. The children is subject. Went is verb, or you say main verb. And that,
Ma'am, somebody removed me from the call.
never mind, please join. Okay. The children is the subject and went is the verb. And since, yes, Afan?
Ma'am, the children is the verb, is the object, went is the verb, and ma'am, office is a noun. So ma'am, the sentence cannot be changed.
Very good. The sentence will not change. The children is not the object, my dear. The children is the subject. Okay. So people, here the verb is intransitive. So you will write below, it cannot be changed. Okay. So we are ending this up for now. Children, what you do? 11 to 20. Please copy the question. Now you know how much space is it taking. Question number 11 to 20. Please write question number 11. Leave 3 lines. I repeat, leave 3 lines. Question number 12. Leave 3 lines. If you are writing is big, you leave 4 lines after each sentence. Fine. Write every sentence 11 to 20 after leaving 4 lines. And we will do this on the next English turn.